Looking for a reliable way to keep your phone secure while driving? Scoscha's replacement kit offers metal magnetic plates that work seamlessly with any magnetic car phone holder. Just stick the metal plate to the back of your iPhone, Android, or tablet, and enjoy a strong, lasting hold that won't let you down on the road. What sets these metal plates apart is their heat-resistant, automotive-grade adhesive formula. Designed to withstand different environments, they ensure your device stays firmly in place no matter the temperature or conditions. Plus, the plates are completely safe for all mobile devices, so you don't have to worry about damage. The kit includes both large and small magic plates, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your device, whether it's a compact phone or a larger tablet. You can apply the plate directly to your device or attach it to your phone case. This flexibility means you get the strong magnetic hold you need without sacrificing convenience. Before applying the metal plate, use the included protective film. This double-sided sticky pad acts as a buffer, allowing you to mount and remove the plate without harming your phone's surface. It's a simple step that adds peace of mind while keeping your device looking brand new. What really makes this kit stand out is the full package it offers. Along with the metal plates and protective film, you get an online user manual to guide you through installation. Plus, Scoscha backs this product with lifetime tech support and a 3-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Many users praise these metal plates for their durability and perfect fit with Scoscha's magnetic car mounts. One customer shared how they always need new plates when switching phones because the adhesive holds so well. If you're tired of weak mounts or slipping devices, this kit is worth a look. If you want a secure, hassle-free way to mount your phone in the car, this replacement kit delivers. It combines strong adhesion, universal compatibility, and protective features that matter. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your driving experience and keep your device exactly where it belongs.